Hi Peace Squad, what's popping? I trust that you're all doing fine. Thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this vlog. So I'm back again with another interesting recipe, and first of all, I hope you enjoyed my previous vlog. Yes, so today I'll be showing you how to make a Ugandan Rolex. So make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share. So our ingredients, we have one chapati. Chapati is a soft bread. Then we have eggs, we have carrots, we have then coriander, some tomatoes, and an onion. So for some, they usually substitute the carrots with cabbage. For me, I'll just do the grated carrots because that's just my preference. So let's dive into the process. And also, this is a very famous street food in Uganda. So Ugandan people, make sure you like this video, and yeah, much love from here from Papi. So I've already sorted out all my ingredients. I've already cut them into very nice shapes and whatever. So now it's time to do the mixing. So we are gonna start by breaking the eggs. Then I'll transfer it to a very big bowl where I can be able to like mix them. But for Ugandans, they usually use a certain metallic cup. That's their signature. But for me, I'll just do with what I have. So I've already mixed in. I've put in the carrots, 2 eggs, my coriander, some tomatoes, nicely cut, and my onions. So also add a pinch of salt. Now we're gonna fry our pan. We're gonna heat our pan. Then we're gonna be adding oil. So if you don't have a non-stick pan like me, make sure you add insufficient oil, like 2 tablespoons. If you have a non-stick pan, the better. You're gonna use less oil. Also note that for a Rolex, the ratio is 2:1, so 2 eggs to 1 chapati. I hope you have gotten the ratio very correctly. Yes, for it to be fluffy and really nice. So I've already put in my mixture, and yeah, it almost broke, but at least it kind of looks round. So now next process, we're gonna put in the chapati on top of the part that has already cooked. Then you're gonna leave the other side to cook for about 50 seconds to 1 minute, and the more the golden brown it is, the more tastier it's gonna be. So try at least and make it golden brown. I've already transferred it to yeah, I've already transferred it. Now I wanna like do the folding and the rolling. Rolex. Yeah, there's that dance called Rolex, but now I'm gonna roll it. So I'll roll it nicely into a coin, and then I'll slice it into two so that you can be able to see how well the ingredients looked. It's giving pizza vibes on a low key. Do you agree on that? So here it is, but let me now transfer it to a chopping board so that I can be able to cut it well. So when it comes to the cutting, it's up to you to decide the style that you want. So for me, I'll cut kind of zigzag. So there goes our Rolex. As you can see, it's very rich and fat, and it was really fluffy, and it was really tasty. So here it is. Look at how everything just looks colorful, well balanced. Yeah, as I said, you can substitute the grated carrots with cabbage, but for me, I have just put in the grated carrots, and it really looks amazing. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got to learn. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you on my next one. Also, remember that this Rolex is a very famous street food that is found in Uganda or around East Africa. So, bye.